Hello dear students, I am Ankita, your English teacher. This is your grammar class. So today we are going to start tenses. You already know that there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. So we will start from the present tense. As you know that each tense has four kinds, which is simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous tense. So we will start from the present tense. Correct the errors in these sentences. So firstly you will read that I do and will. We is hungry. She is joined the gym. Like that there are more sentences. So firstly we will know that what are the present tense. What are the present tenses? So there are many uses of tense in English grammar, but we use present tense to talk about something that is going on now, currently, or that is true now and at any time. In other words, we use present tense to describe an event in real time happening at that very moment. The present tenses are classified as the simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous tenses. Let us learn more about tense. So, present tense क्या होते हैं? We will learn uses. Where we will use present tense? First, habitual actions or routines. जो भी habitual action या फिर routines होते हैं. Then, general truths. Things that are truth, like the sun rises in the east. This is the truth, that sun rises always in the east, not in the west. The human body has 206 bones. This is also true, because human body in really has 206 bones. They live in London. So this will be also truth, that maybe this was truth. ये हो सकता है ट्रूथ रहा हो कि वो लंदन में रहते हैं, उनके बारे में डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. सो लुक एट द मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. समथिंग दैट इज ट्रू इन द प्रेजेंट टेंस. एट दैट टाइम समथिंग इज ट्रू एट द प्रेजेंट टाइम, लाइक आई एम 13 years. Somebody is telling that he is 13 years old in that present time. She works in the bank. वो प्रेजेंटली बैंक में वर्क कर रही है. इट इज़ अ प्लीजेंट मॉर्निंग. कैसी मॉर्निंग है? प्लीजेंट मॉर्निंग. फॉर फ्यूचर इवेंट वी विल यूज प्रेजेंट टेंस दैट आर फिक्स्ड और पार्ट ऑफ ए टाइम टेबल. मीन्स पार्ट ऑफ ए टाइम टेबल मीन्स डेली रूटीन में वो इवेंट्स होते हैं. लाइक द ट्रेन लीव्स एट 6 AM. ट्रेन का टाइमिंग डिसाइडेड है कि वो 6 AM पे रेगुलरली डेली जाती है. दिस इज शेड्यूल्ड. The flight is rescheduled for tomorrow evening, or school reopens on 25 June. Fifth uses of this: headlines of an article or news item. For example, President arrives tomorrow. Article means कोई भी पैसेज या फिर कोई भी इवेंट के बारे में कुछ लिखा जा रहा हो, उसके हेडलाइन में आप प्रेजेंट का यूज़ करेंगे. लाइक प्रेसिडेंट अराइव्स टुमारो. आप कभी न्यूज़ देखते हैं, न्यूज़ में जो हेडलाइंस आएगी वो आपकी प्रेजेंट टेंस में आएगी. ऑयल प्राइजेस गो अप. गो फर्स्ट फॉर्म. सो दिस इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. ड्रामेटिक डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ इवेंट्स. For example, dramatic description of event. The film is full of humor. Every time we watch it, it keeps us laughing for full 3 hours. Verbs which express state, position, feelings. For example, the flower smells sweet. I love my mother. She likes music. So every tense has 3 parts. affirmative, negative, interrogative. So affirmative is also simple, मीन्स जिसमें आप ना तो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो ना ही आप नॉट का यूज़ कर रहे हो, दैट इज अफर्मेटिव. सो आई प्ले, यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज अ सिंपल सेंटेंस. देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ नॉट और क्वेश्चन मार्क, so this is affirmative. Negative, we use not in negative, you know well, and in interrogative we use question mark. So these are simply, but in these sentences we use different types of rules. Rewrite the following passage with the simple present form of the verbs given in the brackets. So you should know also that सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस को यूज करने के लिए वी हैव टू यूज फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ओके, वी यूज ओनली फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. देन विथ सिंगुलर नाउन है तो वी यूज एस और ई एस विद वर्ब. ओके, लाइक she play. So what is verb here? Play is verb. So we will use s with it because she is singular. Okay. If noun is plural, so we will not use anything. Okay. Plural के साथ हमें कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं करना, मीन्स सिंपली राइट कर देना है they play. Okay. In simple present tense, we will not require to use any helping verb, like only subject plus verb. Okay. If the noun is singular, we will use verb plus s or es. Okay. And in negative and interrogative, you can see that there is some helping verb required, like do, does. So when we will use, जब निगेटिव और इंट्रोगेटिव का यूज़ करेंगे तब हम डू और डस का यूज़ करेंगे. डू, डस with singular noun and do with plural. Okay, you can watch here that I is always plural, so I के साथ do यूज़ हुआ है. He is singular, so does is used with he. She is also singular, so here is does, and we is plural, so do is here. Okay, so rewrite this passage.